It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up.
I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. I need 5 more minutes. I need 5 more minutes.
I open the window. I open the window.
The sun is shining. The sun is shining.
I am hungry. I am hungry.
Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready.
I like orange juice. I like orange juice.
I eat bread and eggs. I eat bread and eggs.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
I have to get ready. I have to get ready. I make my bed. I make my bed.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee.
I check my phone. I check my phone.
I go to school. I go to school.
I take the bus. I take the bus.
What's the plan for today? What's the plan for today?
I have a lot of work. I have a lot of work.
I need to study. I need to study.
I am strong and ready. I am strong and ready.
I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today.
Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay.
I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
I grab my bag. I grab my bag.
I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. The bus is late. The bus is late. I am on my way. I am on my way. I arrive at school. I arrive at school.
I am back home. I am back home.
I need to clean the house. I need to clean the house.
I have to go shopping. I have to go shopping.
I will do the laundry. I will do the laundry. I have to call someone. I have to call someone.
I will exercise today. I will exercise today.
I want to eat healthy food. I want to eat healthy food. I need to relax. I need to relax.
I will take care of myself. I will take care of myself.
I check my emails. I check my emails.
I watch the news. I watch the news.
I am tired. I am tired.
I eat with my family. I eat with my family.
I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy.
I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep.
I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights.
I am dreaming. I am dreaming.
Good night. Good night.